Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your staking with BlockFi, full guide step by step clearly. To improve your staking with BlockFi, start by creating an account if you don't have one yet. Visit the BlockFi website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Complete the identity verification process as per BlockFi's guidelines. Once your account is set up, deposit funds into your BlockFi account. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Review the current interest rates for the cryptocurrencies available for staking. Select the amount of cryptocurrency you want to stake. Confirm your staking transaction in the BlockFi app or website. Keep an eye on the staking rewards, which typically accumulate daily. Check your account regularly to monitor your earnings. Consider diversifying your staking portfolio by investing in multiple cryptocurrencies. Stay informed about market trends and updates from BlockFi. Adjust your staking strategy as needed based on performance and market conditions. Utilize BlockFi's educational resources to enhance your understanding of staking. Engage with the BlockFi community to learn from experienced stackers. Take advantage of any promotions or bonuses offered by BlockFi for staking. Keep your withdrawal options in mind and understand the terms associated with them. Review your staking progress periodically to ensure you're meeting your financial goals. By following these steps, you can optimize your staking experience with BlockFi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos.
If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.